Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a Rockstar Social Club's account password using an Android device. So you want to change a Rockstar Social Club's account password because you feel like a password is not secure enough, or there's some other reason you want to change the password to your Rockstar Social Club's account but you want to use a mobile device to change your account password, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a Rockstar Social Club's account password using a mobile device in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change the Rockstar Social Club's account password is open a browser and go to socialclubs.rockstargames.com. Once you go to socialclubs.rockstargames.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the password to. If not, go ahead and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the profile icon in order to change your account password, then go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll see a section labeled as password, and beside the password section you'll see an option labeled as edit. So to change the account password, tap on that edit option. Then you'll have to enter current password of your account in order to change the password, so go ahead and enter current password. So once you enter current password, go ahead and create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password, confirm that password by retyping it. Once you create and confirm a new password for your account, what you want to do is tap on the save changes button. So once you tap on the save changes button, you'll have to verify yourself by solving a puzzle. So tap on the verify button in order to solve the puzzle, then solve the puzzle. Once you're done solving the puzzle, you'll successfully change the account password for your Rockstar Social Club's account. So those were the simple steps in order to change a Rockstar Social Club's account password using a mobile device in a very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.